I generally just wipe it with the vinegar and welcome to Lizzy's Animal Kingdom. So today I've literally just got my cage yesterday, so I thought I would do like a sort of get ready the cage before I put my parrot in. So basically I brought this cage, so like a top tip, if you're actually looking for a cage, don't go for a new one straight away. Actually look on like Facebook Market, Gumtree, free ads or eBay for like a second-hand cage. I actually got this cage for like £41, but with the rust he kind of gave me 5% off, so I literally paid for this cage £36. Okay, so basically with all of the rust, I'm actually, here's a top tip, use vinegar because it will get rid of the rust. And also what I'm using is just like a bucket and put the sponge in there. So basically I've kind of done this part of it and some of the bar things, I guess, to get rid of the rust. So I thought I would do this video for you so you kind of get the idea of it. I do have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 panels. I would say about 7 panels, maybe 5 panels at the most. So I'm just gonna get into it and sort the rust out and actually be in normal cage. So pretty much. Okay, so basically you can see some of the rusty spots. So I'm literally gonna clean all of the rust, try and clean the rusty spots. But if I can't do it, my mum's gonna, because she's got more muscle than me. But that's kind of what I've done so far with the vinegar. And just did something like that. So there is a few rusty spots and everything like that. So this cage is for a macaw, and I'm gonna try and get everything done on this one and then go on to the next one and then on to the next one. Also we're actually gonna customize the cage as well. We're gonna get some caster wheels, but really big, the big ones. And I've ordered a few toys for the macaw. That probably won't be until about August, September time. And in the second week of September, hopefully I can get the macaw by them. So yeah, pretty much. No, I would say the first week of September. Yeah, so let's get on with this video of cleaning the cage. Okay, so I'm gonna literally just show you how I do it. So basically the sponge and water, so the sponge is in the water, and then I just put a little bit of vinegar on, and where you can see where it's there in there, I generally just wipe it with the vinegar, and some it does go, some it just kind of stays, like the top ones. Yeah, so if I can't get rid of it, my mum's gonna use her muscles and just get it to the standard. I even did that, and before that was like black with rust. Now it's coming up a little bit, so that was thick with rust here. Yeah, so that's alright. I might need to like put it there, and then so I've kind of just done those 3 bits, but I kind of need to do the back one because this one is on top of it, but the middle one is not actually too bad. I can get most of it, but it's just like the inside of here and there, just in the nuts and crannies really. So yeah, pretty much. So I'm gonna stop there because I kind of need to get ready for this afternoon. Right, so I'm actually gonna show you the cage after of the pictures. So this is the before this cage anyway. So basically this was the cage, and it was like so rusty down here and along the bars. It was just so rusty and everything like that. Even like around the edges here, it was just. So basically we used hammerite here, and like in some places where you could see rusts, and we couldn't do in here because for some reason it was not working. You could see we put hammerite on top and down there, and yeah, so when we did the hammerite on these cages, basically we had to wait for it to dry a couple of times, and then we got a non-toxic paint so the parrots won't be able to chew on the cage and everything like that. So anyway, this is the cage, but it does need a few more coats of paint, so I will show you now. So this is the cage so far. It does need another spray paint on these 2 cages, and then we are gonna spray paint this one as well. So I'm gonna literally just show you the other cages what has done quite well, and this is the sort of finishing touches with them. Okay, that's the finishing touches, that's the finishing, and they're just like drying. I hope you enjoyed that video of the cage. Really, hopefully we've just ordered some more spray paint, so it will arrive on Saturday. But I will do like another video on this channel of the updated of the cage. So yeah, pretty much. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, comment and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Okay, so all again, thank you so much for that support, and I'll see you next time. So bye.